Tatiana's, but in the email she gave us
We're
John's
at the
paperwork. It
restaurant
wasn't
now.
Tatiana's paperwork.
We're just checking in.
So she didn't email her. But
It's proper cool up this side though. It's not as hot as down on the south. As down on the central, I should say.
Ernest and Tatiana the day first.
Oh, cool.
I'll show you guys behind. This is so relaxing. And I take one time, Lord. Please, nice God, blood. I got some of the people, yeah. Get a use for shine. Get a use for survive. Yep. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Jada. I'm currently at Strawberry Hill in Kingston. I think it's in St. Andrew and not Kingston. It's just on top of the hill, and I just thought that I would do a restaurant review. I'm actually really impressed. That's why I thought that I would actually dedicate a video to them. The atmosphere is very relaxing. I haven't experienced anything like this in Jamaica. The staff are impeccable. The customer service absolutely top tier. The only thing I would say is that when we were making the reservations, we were told that we were going to get a confirmation email, but we didn't get the email. But that's absolutely minor. It could have been an admin error. It could have been technical difficulties. So that's just the only thing. The journey from Kingston, so we left from New Kingston. It was probably about a 40-minute journey, if that. I can't lie, the road is very rough, and I wouldn't recommend a foreigner traveling by themselves up because it's very steep, and also it's hills and valleys. Like literally, this is how the car was going, and there are a lot of blind spots. So if you don't actually know the road, then you could potentially get in an accident. So I wouldn't recommend that. But let me just show you guys what I'm currently seeing so you guys can get a feel of the place.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag do. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag do. Oh. I may be young, but I'm ready.
This smells yummy. I got the coconut shrimp soup or something like that. I'll put up the menu on the screen to show you guys, and I'll just try to highlight the ones that we ordered. What's that? Just bread. Guys, I'm vlogging on my phone, so please bear with me. My camera's broken, and I haven't had the chance to take it to a camera shop in Jamaica yet. I don't know any actually. Wait, let me rest you guys here. I don't want to put my tripod on the table.
That's not gonna work.
Can I put my tripod on the table? No, I tried it. Actually, I have to put them out. Put them out further. I have to put them out further. I was not expecting that.
Right.
I was not expecting that.
Different, right?
I'm trying to make sense of it, yeah. It's not, it doesn't taste bad. But it's not
Is
something that you would have as a
salsa?
sauce.
You think that's salsa? I've had, but not that sweet though. Like the mango, like the mango, the onion.
But the onion's nice with it because it just brings it
It's
to...
different.
Yeah, guys, that's different. Let me try again because I can't really think.
That's different.
I don't like the first hit that it gives me though, I don't know. But then the more I eat, I'm like, okay,
Yeah, it's different.
this is pretty good. Guys, the soup is banging.
How How far do you think this is from the airport?
We go knocking till the morning light. 'Cause we like to party. Driving me crazy. I can't explain the way I feel. Top down with the radio on, and the night belongs to us. Just hold me close. Don't let me go. So in love. I don't care what they say. I don't care if they talking too much.
Hey guys, there's actually been a change at Strawberry Hills. I just thought I'd let you guys know while I'm doing the vlog. Basically, the pool area is literally only reserved for guests. So for you to even take, you know, the infamous photo on the pool, for you to even take the photo, you literally have to have a booking. So yeah, that's something worth knowing. If you're literally coming up here for your photo, they won't let you use the pool area. But let me show you guys the pool area. It's so nice. The waitress says that it's worth staying. Like the rooms are proper secluded, and obviously you get a luxurious experience. And it's kind of an exclusive stay, isn't it? So I'll be doing a room tour of my Strawberry Hill room, and I'll do a hotel review at the end of it to see if it's what it looks like it is. You know what I mean? If it's what people make it out to be. Yeah, mango chutney. It's nice. Don't look at it, taste it. It's actually nice. Isn't it? The mango chutney is nice. Yes, I'm gonna do a room tour and I'm gonna do a review when I come to Strawberry Hill.
Yeah, you can.
So make sure you guys subscribe. We're just gonna be touring around now, so I'll show you guys the area.
Alright, she gonna use it.
She gonna help me? Yeah. You wanna go now? Wait, give me a minute. Let me at least finish the water. I was gonna say, guys, oh, let me show you my outfit. I didn't show you guys. This is what I'm wearing with my heels. I'm heading to Marketplace now, so I'm gonna go back to my other vlog and finish that, because I think I'm gonna do a day in my life in Jamaica video, or maybe a Jamaica vlog, Kingston day out. That's nice. Guys, we didn't enjoy the lunch. It was just bland to me. Even when you're eating the rice and peas, you couldn't taste the coconut milk, couldn't taste seasoning. It just tastes meh. Thank you. Alright, let me call my taxi, guys. I'm gonna show you guys the area in a minute. I'm not gonna end the vlog, so keep watching. Guys, party I keep a Jamaica alone, come out early. August 20. And also make sure that you go ahead and support this business. Take a screenshot. The owner is absolutely lovely. I met her today. Her customer service is top tier, and you know that that's hard to find in Jamaica. So I'm going to support it, man.
Only for hot girl in the place.
Girlfriend. Who's more around what that is? Girl, okay. I'm gonna get demonetized. Not demonetized, I'm gonna get copyright. I don't want the video get. Oh, the music playing at the background, it no matter. I forget about Marley I play. It's a demonetized anyway. Yeah, I'm play music. Just turn it down the curve. I don't want the crowd come.
I want to plus do the video and keep on silent.
No, I'm on the music, make them catch a vibe. Because I demonetized anyway. I just forget, don't it? And now I head a clip I say about Marley in the background, girl.
Only for hot girl in the place.
Yeah, I'm not Jamaica, you know? Sure. Are you that in the place? Are you that at the place? Backside. Food I got it? With you? So what kind of party? River party? Or just normal street party?
Girls, they would dance and everything.
Would you?
Yeah.
When I get subscriber here, I come out. I like how the Jamaican them love up the YouTube. But some of like everybody so we can't come and say, come say. Yeah, them love it, man. I love how Jamaica love excitement. I London them just ignore me. But I vlog morning in the night, they might ignore my shit. I London? Oh, bless her. She must want to come home.
Every year.
She come home, bless her.
Come up with Jada,
Jada, Jaydah. H. Girl, sure, H. Space. See me that word. My name I come up first, people. May I go up in a live. You know what? My name they look at the bottom. Nobody name so. Good name. She subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna get a look at show. See them? Girl, black and nice and smooth down. Yeah. Black and nice and pretty like money. I play with her. Her personality nice though, guys. Smooth. When she talk to me, I look at her and I say, girl, like, what you do to me? Like, she hypnotize me. She don't tell me the menu, you know? The voice calm, man. Yeah, for the voiceovers. And that you forget it now. That's a quick money though, you know, I do not use. I sit down in my studio and talk. That's a good fun that. Anyways, guys, we'll book a taxi. He's 40 minutes away, so I can just take some content.
You said how long?
40. Maybe that's for a party. She said she had a party last night. We should have come.
Oh, wow.
I said we really wanted something to do. We should have come. Guys, yesterday I didn't drink any alcohol. Let me take my pictures. I'm so proud to be Jamaican. Our island is beautiful and blessed.
I'm trying to post that video of my man driving.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag too. Oh, you a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag too. Oh, you a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag too. Oh.
Guys, Jamaica is such a blessed country. Oh, the lighting is a bit hazy, guys. Let me see if I can